And welcome back to Ceilidh Crew and Co.
I'm Alyssa.
And I'm Corinne.
And we have some Christmas carols for you this week.
Yes, we're going to sing a couple just now, and we've recorded a couple for the kids, which will go out next Wednesday instead of Friday because everybody will be too busy on Christmas Day.
Yeah.
But you can always check them out on YouTube, you know, on Christmas Day if you want to.
So we have made it to our place this week. Is near Victoria Park.
Yeah, it's just opposite my flat actually, and it's in between Victoria Park and the Waters of Leith.
And it's a lovely place to come for a walk. So if you ever find yourself down this way, then do pop along and come for a beautiful walk.
Absolutely.
Around Victoria Park. So the first carol we're going to sing for you this fine afternoon is Silent Night. So you'll see.
Silent Night, Heilige Night, all is calm, all is bright, through yon Virgin Mother and Child, holy laddie, say tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, Heilige night, Son of God, loose pure light, radiance beams free on holy face, with the dawn of redeeming grace. Jesus laid at your birth, Jesus laid at your birth. Silent night, Heilige night, shepherds quake at the sight, glory stream frae heaven afar, heavenly haste cry hallelujah, Christ our Saviour is born, Christ our Saviour is born. Silent night, Heilige night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon Virgin Mother and Child, Haily laddie, say tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace.
So if you didn't know, that one was Silent Night. Night. Silent Night.
Night. And the next one is one that we all ken, and it's...
I remember singing this in school actually.
Yeah.
This is always in schools. You'll know it from when your kids go to school or your grandchildren go to school, and you'll have probably sang it in school as well.
And it's my personal... I love this one. It's my personal favourite.
A boy in a manger, nae crib for a bed, yon wee laddie Jesus lays down his sweet head. The stairs in the brick sky look down where he lay, yon wee laddie Jesus asleep on the hay. The cattle are lowing, the bairnie awakes, but wee laddie Jesus nae greeting he makes. Alloo thee, Lord Jesus, look down frae the sky, and stay by my side till morning is nigh. Be near me, Lord Jesus, I ask thee to stay close by me for aye, and lure me, I pray. Bless all the wee ways in your tender take us to heaven, to bide with thee there. Awo in a manger, nae crib for a bed, yon wee lady Jesus lays down his sweet head. The stairs ben the brick sky, look down where he lay, yon wee lady Jesus asleep on the hay.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that and joined in with us. Please, as ever, like, share, subscribe and share again and again. We're still trying to build up our wee audiences.
Yeah, and we wish you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year! Look out for our kids' songs that are happening on Wednesday. So if you're looking for something for your kids to watch, we'll have Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and a bit of Jingle Bells.
Jingle bells.
So join us then.
Have a fantastic Christmas and we will see you in
2021.